for this information of our exports. Okay? And with the 4 rooms available, normal, wet, gravel, and mud, the exports is ready to challenge any terrain that it could with its very versatile platform. Okay? And towards the rear of our vehicle, it also packs a rear air vents together with our dual zone automatic light control system, giving you utmost comfort with nano-EX technology, providing you with the best air quality with our exports. And with the rear of our exports, we will also notice that it's also a versatile setup since our exports is equipped with the 60/40 split rear seats available for bar seating and loading configurations. And at the rear of our exports, you will also be greeted by our Edge LED rear combination lamps, giving you a quite dynamic look of the front end of the exports and at the same time giving you better visibility all throughout our vehicle. Okay? And when it's power building function for our GT variant, loading cargo and luggage is as easy as ever with our all-new exports. Together with the reverse camera and the rear parking sensors, parking will never be a problem for the all-new exports as well. And last but not the least, with the adjustable loading area at the back, we can even load taller or bigger items at the rear of our all-new exports. Okay? And last but not the least, our exports at this side will give you also access to the passenger seat underway for added versatility and cargo. And for safety, 6 SRS airbags is standard to give utmost protection for all occupants of the all-new exports. And for a more relaxing mood inside the exports, it is also equipped with the Yamaha Dynamic Sound System, giving you the best-in-class sound system as it was also developed and engineered by Yamaha Soundmeisters. And with our ambient lighting, it is also here that the exports will always give you that vibe to match your preference or your personality while you're driving the all-new exports. Okay? So for more information, guys, you may contact your accredited SEs to learn more about the all-new exports and the promos available for you to be able to purchase one. So that would be all for me. Again, I am Juan Miguel Mendoza, the Sales Training Supervisor for Union Motors Corporation, giving you and presenting to you the all-new Mitsubishi X-Force.
Gilas, Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Ayos. So yung mga kamitsu, so iniimbitahan ko kayo. Launching ngayon. Punta na kayo rito sa Mitsubishi Otis. Ito po yung main office ng UMC Group. So marami tayong mga events dito. Meron tayong mga merienda rito. Meron tayong food and drinks. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan po.